Hey, Matt here. And I was thinking today about an issue or a question that I get a lot when it comes to building your home business, right? And that's just this whole thing around, hey, I know there's certain things I need to do today, but I'm lacking the motivation to sit down and just do it and get it done. There's something blocking me inside and I'm not sure what it is. And we all go through that. I go through it. We all go through it. We're human beings. Sometimes we're on it, we're ready to charge forward. And other times we know we need to get things done and it's just difficult to get started. So one of the things that I've done over the years when I'm feeling myself in that mode is I will just sit down. A lot of times I'll do a quick prayer and then I'll start thinking about who am I doing this business for? What's this all about? Right. And so for you, it might be you're doing this for your spouse. Maybe you're doing it for your children. Maybe you're doing it for your grandchildren, whoever is in your life that it gets you excited to think about really building your business to the level you want it to be at because, yes, you're going to be able to do things for yourself and get things for yourself. But what really gets you excited a lot, right, is thinking about what it will do for those people, whoever it is in your life that you want to do that for. Think about that. And I find a lot of times that snaps my mind to attention. And I'm like, yeah, hey, those people I want to make sure I do this business for, move things forward, move the needle, help them get what they need out of life. If it's your kids, college, maybe you've got an aging parent who's having issues and maybe you want to help them financially as they go through it, whatever it might be. Think about those people or that person. And I think it'll help you. It helps me a lot to get myself out of those stuck moments by doing this little technique. And I think it'll help you too. So give it a shot.